All right, we're going to talk about the verb jugar. Jugar, to play a sport or a game. So, if I was teaching this in class instead of here on this video, I would ask you to look at this paragraph here. Miren las palabras en negrita. So look at the words in bold. ¿De qué verbo vienen y qué tipo de verbo es? ¿Cómo es diferente de los otros verbos de are? So, where does this verb come from? What kind of verb is it? And how is it different from other AR verbs? Go ahead and pause this, read the paragraph, and write down your thoughts. All right, welcome back. So obviously you know this comes from jugar because it's at the top of the sheet, and you know it means to play a sport or a game. But the trick here is, what kind of verb is it? So what kind of verb is jugar? Now, if you noticed, jugar in its infinitive form is spelled J-U-G-A-R. But in almost every conjugation, we have an E. And that is because it is a stem-changing verb. So right here, you're going to write stem-changing. And it changes from U to UE. So you could write U to UE underneath here. All right, and when we do the conjugations down here, we will write that down as well, okay? Excuse me. All right, let's take a look at these. That should be a U. Let's see. How is this different from other verbs? Other AR verbs don't usually have the stem change, but when we do have one that's like that, we of course have to go over it in detail so you get the spelling right. So let's fill in our chart. Jugar. Yo juego. So by U to UE stem changing verb, I'm going to add that in here. U to UE. That letter U, okay, that U has now become UE. And that is for the sound, the way you pronounce it. Okay? Now, if I left that E off and it was just jugo, jugo's juice. Okay? So you got to be careful. Yo juego. Tú juegas. Él, ella, usted juega. Now, it does something different in the nosotros form. Nosotros jugamos and vosotros jugáis. There's no stem change here, and that's just fine. That's correct. And then finally, ellos, ellas, ustedes juegan. We have the stem change here. So if I were to draw around these, leave out those two, just imagine the side view of a shoe, a very ugly shoe that has a very small toe part. Okay? And that's called a boot verb. Everything in the boot has the stem change, and everything outside of the boot does not. And we can thank Latin for that. So, just to clarify, yo juego means I play. Tú juegas is you play. El ella usted juega means she or he plays or you formal play. Nosotros jugamos, we play. Vosotros jugáis, y'all play. Ellos, ellas, ustedes juegan, they play or y'all play. All right, go ahead and write that down on your paper. Okay, moving on. Let's see. When you're talking about playing something, most people are going to use al and then the name of the sport. So, me gusta jugar al baseball. I like to play baseball, but you have to have al in the sentence. Okay? And moving on to activity 1. For each subject and picture, create a sentence or question. Okay. These do not go along with that, so we're going to go back. Yo juego al tenis, I play tennis. Tú y yo jugamos al basketball, we play basketball. Tú, so you're asking someone, ¿tú juegas al tenis? Do you play tennis? Carla juega al fútbol. Carla plays soccer. Ustedes, ustedes juegan al golf. Do y'all play golf? Usted juega al, what's the sport? Baseball. Do you, formal, play baseball? And Javier and Axel juegan al tenis. Javier and Axel, they play tennis. So basically, jugar is to play. It's a stem changing verb, U to UE. And that's pretty much it. At this point in Spanish, you guys should be okay with that. All right? Good luck.